There are a few ways to approach assignment setting. They all work up to a point, but some will make life much more difficult for both you and your pupils. The simple rule of thumb is that Word is never the answer, whatever the question, unless it's a pub quiz about Terry Christian. Look him up if you're under 40. If you find yourself attaching a Word document to an assignment, stop and take a step back. Incidentally, if you do have old Word documents that you want to reuse, take a moment to upload them to your Google Drive. It couldn't be simpler. If I click here to my drive, just come to New and File Upload. Now I have an old Word document here on my desktop that I'm going to just upload. Select it, click Open. The document will appear here, so I can open it, and you'll see at the top here it says Open with Google Docs. You want to do that, okay? Just click that. It'll take a moment. Occasionally there'll be a little bit of reformatting to do with the conversion, but generally speaking you'll find that almost all of your documents will just convert straight away. Just click to rename to remove the doc extension, and that's it. It's now a Google Doc. It's as simple as that. So back to the test class. By far the easiest way to set and collect work for both us as staff and for pupils is as follows. You want to use a document that you've already created. Make sure it's a document created with one of the Google apps, Docs, Sheets, Slides, etc. I've got an example here. This is just a test assignment. You can give as much scaffolding and as much help in this document as you like. You could just give a title. I've given some paragraph hints here. You could give much more. That's entirely up to you. Create the document, and of course it will be saved in your Google Drive. Now I know there are some exceptions to this, and for some subjects you'll want your pupils to hand work in a specialist format, but in the vast majority of cases one of the Google Suite apps is the answer that you're looking for. So set the assignment, just come down here to the plus, create assignment, give it a title, select the students that you want to set it for. By default it'll go to all the students in the class, so I'm just going to leave that, but you could by clicking here add more students in here. It would give you a list and you could select which ones you want to give it for. Trying to give a due date, it really helps the pupils to be able to schedule their work. And I'd advise you to give a topic as well. You'll find that as you use your classroom more and more, it just helps to keep things organised by topic. So all you need to do is add the document using the Google Drive symbol. It's this one, not the paperclip symbol. You'd only use the paperclip if you wanted to attach something that wasn't in your Google Drive or a team drive, and we want things in our Google Drives. So I'm going to click here. It will open my drive. Here's the test assignment, and I just click add. Now the other choice I have to make, at the moment the students can only view that file, but if I click here I can allow them either to edit the whole, all the students to edit that one file. Much more likely I'm going to want to make a copy for each student. Okay, this way the pupil only has to open the document and start writing. It'll be saved automatically in the right place with the right title. It can't be lost. You can't forget where you saved it, they can't forget where you saved it, and importantly the document can be opened on any machine. But most important of all, you can see the document while it's in progress and the pupil is working on it. You can give immediate focused feedback at the right time without waiting to collect all the books or even all the attached Word documents. Mark them, hand them back when you next see them if they're there, by which point the moment has been lost and the feedback is almost useless. So one of the great benefits is that it enables you to give immediate feedback that's much more useful and will save you time with your marking in the long run. So it's there, I click assign, and that's it. Okay, it takes a moment to do it. Job done.